Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and I got this one from the Vinguys, the V-Feeder Metal, which is a bird feeder. And yeah, we're gonna open this up and try it out right after this. Wow, if I had a nickel for every time that I've reviewed a smart bird feeder, I'd have 3 nickels. Yeah, I know, this is the 3rd one I've done. If you would like to watch my other ones to see how they compare, let's see, what was it? Birdfi, which I still have, by the way, a really good bird feeder. I also have the bird beater. So chances are when I'm going to be talking about them, I'm going to be doing a comparison to this just sort of unconsciously and consciously. But for now, let's open this up. Okay, so this is a metal one, which is different. I believe this is the first one I've done that is metal. The others are usually like plastic and stuff. So, okay, we got some stuff on top. It's going to be very... Okay, there it is on top. Granted, that's not really the best way to show this. The best way to show this is just to get it out of here. Okay, I have no idea what this thing is, but something tells me it's probably there to hang the bird feeder on. Of course it is, because that's what we do. And we got all this stuff here. Oh yeah, hey, let's see. Oh, it even comes with the screwdriver you need to do it. You know what? Okay, normally I don't do this, but I could re-edit this later, but I'm going to open up what it comes with. It's got the big screws with the big holders, as you can see there. And then we got a strap. Nice. But what I really want to highlight are these things. These particular things, I forget what these things are called. They are, but I use them to hold up the bird buddy, so maybe I'll use this to hold up this thing. I'll see which direction I want to go with when I finally get there. And yeah, believe me, I will get there. But for now, let's look at it as a whole. As a whole, I think I mean the sum of its parts, because we got a lot of parts in here. Oh man, dude, it's getting this out thing. Okay, here's the roof. Let's raise it. We're raising the roof. Oh, we have fun. Okay, I'm seeing a, aha, this is what I thought I'd see. I'm guessing this is a charger. Aha, yep, a solar powered thing. I think my Birdfi has one of those, and it's in use right now. Actually, it's not very sunny today. But I'm seeing whatever the heck this is. What is this? Oh, hey! Oh, check it out. It's the camera itself. All right. Didn't expect that. Normally, they just kind of come mounted on the thing already. But, yeah, if you want to take it in a different direction, you take it a different direction. Speaking of different directions, I wonder what this thing is. Maybe it's the mount the thing. Maybe it's, maybe I should stop talking like this. Because, yeah, I know, it sucks. All right, okay. And here's the instructions. I'm going to definitely need that, because we got a lot to assemble here. All right, now let's get to the heart of the matter here. Okay, do we have everything? No, there's an antenna, but that's about it. So, okay, I think we're done. So let's get, oh gosh, let's get a little organization here, please. So let's, okay. Oh man, it's really nice. Oh man, this thing is like a cathedral. Oh yeah, you know what? I kind of like this design. I think it's kind of sweet. Oh yeah, we're gonna have fun with this. Okay, so let's see. I'm guessing. All right. Okay. Now I'm trying to see how much I can assemble this without even looking at the instructions. And in my case, I'm seeing like a. Okay, you see this? I wonder if this is magnetic. It is. Okay, so I'm guessing that all you need to do to put this on magnetically locks in place. I like that. I like that a lot. The ones that I've reviewed before, the Birdfi and the Bird Buddy, didn't have that. So that's a plus in this guy's favor. And yeah, we're making like a huge mess up here. Okay, I'm going to see if I can't figure out how to just mount this camera in here just by, I don't know, instinct. It might be the best word. First of all, it's got a place here. That's probably where the thing puts in, but something... or the antenna puts in, but something tells me I want to put this on. Okay, there's a piece of plastic here that that's really handy having that magnetic like that. Okay, does this pull out at all? Feels like it should. I mean, I gotta get the plastic off somehow. Okay. Okay, this feels like it should just yank right out, but kind of doesn't. Okay. I really hate playing this game that I call like, what's blocking it? Have you ever played the What's Blocking It game? That's a really fun game. Basically, you're trying to get something out, and it's blocked, and you're going like, what's blocking it? And it's like, never a good answer for that, was there? You know, it's like when you're trying to open your silverware drawer, and there's like some spatula that decided to go, what? No way! And just blocks the dang thing. Hate it when that happens. Okay, so we got this thing, and then we put in, conceivably, this thing. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm assuming... Alright, okay. Because this thing is marked like this, and it looks like this antenna fits into there, that's how I'm assuming that that is going to go. Ooh, maybe I should wait. Okay, I'm going to put this in first. Let's take off these things here while we're at it. Everything that I review always comes with like a bunch of plastic and jive like that. So, alright, let's just put this in now. Am I skipping a step? Probably. But, yeah. Okay, so we'll put that in. And, okay, how's it going to stay in there? I think is the fun part. Okay. Just to let you know, there's a USB thing up here. So I guess you can charge it like that. And I probably should before I put it out in the wild. There's also a... Oh, what do you know? There's a place for a TF card. Just a TF card? Can I not use an SD card, or is that the same thing? I have no idea. So yeah, we're gonna just sort of play this by ear here. But I like the fact that actually, can I fit in the? Okay, you know what? Okay, so we're just gonna put this in here. Okay, I just decided to just put this in. It gave a little resistance, but you can see what needs to happen now. That's got to go in there, and then here's what I believe is supposed to happen. The antenna. Yes, I can just screw in the back. Yeah, I know. Alright, so we got that there. So I'm assuming this is going to hook up to Wi-Fi, because usually these things do that, because it's a smart bird feeder. I'm starting to get used to this. This is my third smart bird. You know, they say this is not my first rodeo. This is not my first smart bird feeder. Okay, alright, I couldn't think of a smarter way to say that. But I'm going to figure it out. Okay. Looks like that's on there. Alright, so stick that thing back up there. Okay. As for how it mounts, I'm assuming we get this involved. By this, I mean this. And, let's see. Trying to hard to figure this out here. Okay. Alright. I guess I could just put this on here. Okay, there seems to be a space for it. Kinda. Alright. I'm gonna have to figure out the best way to mount this thing, and I don't want to go unconventional. So maybe I should see what this thing has to say, and... Alright. You know what? I think we're gonna take it another level here. Yeah, I gotta figure out a few things. Okay, we're gonna cut. We're gonna come back to this after I've mounted it. I'll give you a little heads up on that. Okay, I've set it up right here. You can see it. Oh man, it's weird to get that in there, but right here. There we go. Okay, so sorry that I was going to get that in the shot. I could probably go in for a close-up, but I will do that later. It was pretty easy to set up. I have an app here that shows me what's going on with it too. So let's see here. Okay. So apparently this thing is sleeping. Now I'm waking it up, and I'm getting a live feed here. So yeah, we're going to be getting some really cool stuff here, and I'm really glad. It was pretty easy to set up. I used some of the same things that I used to set up my BirdFi, which was just some like kind of clamps here. When I describe those, I'll have to put those in here. But yeah, it's just basically on a post, and here's what I'm seeing now. It's basically just pointing at me. Hi, me! Yeah, there it is. Okay, I'm told that there is a way to get some sort of program here that will identify the birds. Since I just put this up only a few minutes ago, no birds have come my way yet. So I'll have to see if we can get some good footage of some birds checking this out. But what I don't want to see is a friggin' squirrel. Because man, there's a squirrel that goes in my bird feeder, I swear robs it, and I'm really sick of it. And I don't really know how to get rid of it. Perhaps I can use the light and alarm system here, and maybe that'll work. Okay, if you can hear that, it's good. Arm area, please leave. There is a night vision available on this thing. I want to see what I can kind of get with it. I might have to put in that footage a little later, though. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you're curious about what it looks like in the dark. And this is a shot that was taken sometime last night. Here's the thing. There's something really creepy kind of moving in the background there. And personally, I'm pretty sure I know what has happened. My dog probably wanted to go out in the middle of the night or something like that. Someone let the dog out, and they let the dog back in. So I'm hoping that's my dog in the yard right there, that it was detected there. I'm really hoping that's the case. So as you can see from this footage here, there's some really cool, it got this bird here. And I'm told I identified it as a California or a Carolina wren, but I'm not really certain if that is what that is. Any bird experts out there, if you want to list a comment like, hey, they got it right, or they didn't get it right, I'm not really sure. But I think I'm pretty sure this is different times during the day, because the lighting looks different in a few of these shots, but in some cases it looks the same. But you can see there's a timestamp on it, so it'll let you know there, and the app let me know that this was happening. So I think that's a really good sign that this product works as it should. And something that it did detect was a definite squirrel. Yes, there's some squirrel footage here. And yes, here's the thing. This thing actually beeped and it gave me an alarm when the squirrel showed up. So there must be something in this thing that knows the difference between a bird and a squirrel, which is very good. And there was an auto alarm. I think this was just set. I think I figured out how to set it. I actually had to unset it so I could get some sleep, because this thing was just constantly going off. And yeah, that meant the squirrel got what he wanted. Just stupid squirrel. I hate squirrels. Okay, so I guess the only thing I can really talk about is the price. You've seen all this stuff, and there's an article I'm going to write that will have even more features on this thing. So go ahead and read that if you really are interested in this. The price is listed on the website at about $299. Right now it's slashed, so it's about $129.99. I think that might be just a special. I don't know how long that special is going to last, so hopefully it's there at the time that you're watching this. And if it is, go get it. I love having any of these automated bird feeders. They really make your day a lot better. So yeah, and you can get this. If you want to know how it compares to other bird feeders, maybe that's into a separate video. But for now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.